Time is something we all experience, but have you ever wondered why it only moves forward? Picture a glass falling and shattering on the floor. The pieces scatter, but they never leap back together. This is the arrow of time in action. Events unfold from order to disorder, a process scientists call entropy. Entropy always increases, which is why things age, break, and become more chaotic over time. But there's more to the story. Since the Big Bang, our universe has been expanding, carrying time forward like a one-way ticket from a hot, dense beginning to the cooler, more complex world we know today. For us, time feels like a river. We remember the past, never the future. The arrow of time shapes our reality, guiding us ever onward into what comes next. Love documentaries? Subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories and in-depth content. Don't forget to like and share if you enjoyed this video. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more fascinating documentaries coming your way.